Welcome to Red Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region, Standard 7, Subject General Science, Lesson number 20 in the World of Stars and video number 37. In that video, we have to discuss what is meant by life cycle of stars, sky watching, constellations, the science and planetarium. First we discuss what is the life cycle of the star. Our solar system is a tiny part of galaxy called Milky Way, which is many times larger than the solar system. There is a lack of stars in Milky Way, some of them being many times bigger than our sun. Some of them have heavier own planetary systems. Stars like Milky Way show the great diversity in colors, brightness, as well as some stars which appear to be close to one another, making particular figure, are together known as constellation. We shall learn about constellation in the chapter, but before that we let learn few basic concepts in the sky watching. Far away from the sky seem to be touching the ground. The line at which they meet, they are called as horizon. The turning around oneself, the horizon will seem to the form circle, and looking up to the sky will appear to be sphere base on the circle. The star and planets moving in the sky appear to be moving in the sphere. This virtual sphere is called as celestial sphere. The circular horizon divides this sphere into two halves. Zenith. While standing on the ground, the point on which celestial sphere exactly above our head is called zenith. Nadir. While standing on the ground, the point on which celestial sphere exactly below our feet is called nadir. Celestial poles means if we extend the axis of the rotation of the earth in the north and south direction, it will be penetrate the celestial sphere at the point called celestial north pole and celestial south pole respectively. Meridian means in astronomy the great circle which pass through the both celestial poles and observer zenith and nadir is called meridian. Celestial equator is uniformly expand earth equator in all direction indefinitely. It will be penetrate the celestial sphere along the circle. This circle known as celestial equator. Ecliptic means the earth moves around the sun, but sun from the earth, the sun appear to move along the circle on the celestial sphere. This circle describing the apparent motion of the sun and the earth is called elliptic. Sky standing on the open space. If we look at the sky on a cloudless night, the numerous stars against the dark background, the portion of the earth atmosphere and behind the which can be seen in form of roof. The sun, moon and the stars are seen in rise in east and set in a west because earth rotates from west to east. It observe carefully that star rise and set 4 minutes earlier every day, that is the star rise 8 pm tonight, it will be rise at the 7:56 pm tomorrow. Constellation means the group of stars accompanying small portion of the celestial sphere is called constellation. The group of stars accompanying small portion of the celestial sphere is called a constellation. Some of the stars appear in a certain figure of animal, human. This figure have been named after the certain events. Constellation were identified in this way. Western observe that have divided into celestial sphere into 88 constellations. Similarly, ancient Western astronomer put forward idea of 12 zodiac sign, and Indian astronomers suggested the 27 nakshatras. Zodiac sign means the ecliptic has been imagined to divide into 12 equal parts. Thus, each part sustained 30 degree at the center of celestial sphere. Each of this part is called Rashi or zodiac sign. They are named as Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius and Pisces. Nakshatra. The moon complete one revolution around the earth is approximately 27.3 days. The portion transferred by the moon in one day is called nakshatra. So if we divide 360 degrees into 27 equal part, each part is about 30 degree and 20 minutes. Nakshatra is known as brightest star in content. This brightest star is called Yog Tara, which nakshatra can be during the sky watch depend upon the position of the earth along the orbit. Always remember that the place of the sky watching should be away from the city as far as possible. Binoculars and telescopes should be used in sky watching. Identify the pole star in a north make sky and As stars west set early, sky watching should be begun with the star in the west. Then getting to know some constellation. During the summer night, one can see particular arrangement in 7 star we call as Saptarshi. In the month of February, constellation rise around 8 p.m. in the northeast, and meridian in the month April and month October it set at 8 p.m. around the name of the suggests Saptarshi is a group of 7 bright stars. The constellation of Saptarshi and Sharmishta are useful in locating the pole star. Sharmishta is made up of 5 bright stars which are distributed along the figure of the letter M. The perpendicular bisector of line joining the third and fourth star is Sharmishta goes toward the pole star. Mruga Nakshatra or Orion has a very bright star. On winter night we can easily identify it was 7-8 star which 4 are corners of the quadrangle. The line passing through the 3 middle star constellation when extended meet very bright star. Wrishik or Scorpio is a constellation with 10 or 12 star. Jeshta or is brightest among these. The constellation is below the equator is the sky southern hemisphere. Then make a friend and stand the sun at the center of the circle. Now moving along the smaller circle around the sun. If you are facing at the sun all the time, you notice the circular orbit. The apparent motion means we perceive that moving due to the motion of the earth around it. This motion of the sun is called apparent motion, and the path is called as apparent path. The rising of the sun in the east and setting in the west is also known as apparent motion. You have also seen that apparent motion, heard elders saying that particular nakshatra is rising and now prevails. Then planetarium is a name after Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has been established New Delhi. So thank you very much.